Welcome back all programmers. So in this hand-on experiment number 16, we are going to make a program, Python program, and that program will take input two integers and it is going to print greater and smaller both, right? So if you remember HOE 14 and 15, in 14 we have taken printout for the greater one, and in 15th we have taken for smaller one. But right now, how we are going to combine these two? Right. So what is running in your mind that you see you can make two if else condition. One, see, this is x, this one is y. So one if else condition you run to compare that x is greater than y or not. Right. That is hand on experiment 14. That you write first. Okay. If it is coming true, this is coming false. If it is coming true, x will be there. This is coming false, then y will be there. And second one you write here to compare between x and y, that x is less than y. Then again having two value coming here, false and true. If false, true is coming, then x is the smallest, and if false is coming, then y is the smallest. So these two can be joined together. So you think that you are going to make lab number 14 and lab 16, that hand-on experiment 14 and 16, to combine here with hand-on experiment number 16 here, right? So let make this one, and then again I will let you know how to combine these two condition in one only, how to modify that program. Right, so let us start. So here we require here to have two integer inputs. So that will go in x and y. So x I am writing here input, and with a prompt I am writing here, you see, enter value of x, right? So we are going to have a value of x, then again y equal to, I am writing here integer, then I am writing here input, then I am writing a prompt here, enter value of y, right? So we got two input in x and y. Now it's time for print out. Okay, so let first print for biggest one. Okay, greater than one. So I'm going to write here, if you see, if you remember the condition, then x is greater than y. Okay, if this condition is true, then I'm writing here print, and I'm going to write here a simple message here that x is greater than y. I'm not writing all those values. Okay, so that will do later on. Okay, then I'm going to write here else, and this else will go here else. Then again with a print command here we are going to write what, print, and then here what we are going to write here, print y is greater than x, right? So we did for greater one, is it? It is going to print the greater one. Now can we make the same one here, that if I'm going to write here x is less than y, done, then it is going to print here print, and what it is going to print here, print, it is going to print that x is smaller than y, right? So accordingly it is going to print, and if we are going to have else here, then else, then print, then here I'm going to write here y is smaller than x, right? Okay, so this e is in capital, so I make it small, you see. So we have written, you see, two different conditional statement here. Okay, one is printing greater than and one is printing smaller than, right? Let's run this program and see. So I'm going to run this program. So both the statement will be executed one by one. So here you see I'm going to give enter the value of x, so I'm putting here 98, then y I'm putting 45 here. Okay, so I'm going to press enter. You see x is greater than y. All right, x is bigger than y, and you see x is smaller than y. Okay, maybe one condition, you see, let me see, this statement is not coming correct. So maybe in message you see, uh, so here you see I had not changed the condition. I should change the condition here. Okay, so that is the reason, x is smaller than y. Now I'm going to run this program. It's okay. So You see, now you see I'm putting 98, right? And then I'm going to put here 45. Okay, then see, check it out here. X is greater than y and y is smaller than x. Accordingly, you are going to get the statement, is it? So again we are going to run the program. See, we have not changed the this greater than to smaller than, because this is for smaller than. Okay, so that error is coming first one. Again, I'm to run with a different um, value of x and y. So this time I'm putting x as 8 and y as 34, right? So what is that? Y is greater than x. You see, y 34 is greater than x, and then it is making 8 is smaller than y. Accordingly, the values are coming here. Now see, so you understood this one, that you can have multiple conditional statement, right? But now what happened if you have to combine these two in one? So you see, if you are going to check between x and y, that condition is checking, you are checking that x is greater than y, then if this condition is true here, okay, try to think. If this condition is true here, this is true, then ultimate biggest or greatest value will be x. Then it is understood that now you are a programmer, is it? Think like a programmer. Now it is understood that here if x is the biggest one, then ultimately y will be the smallest one. And in no side, what is biggest coming? Y is the biggest coming. Then ultimately smallest will be, what is that? X, right? So why to write this much of big codes? Okay, so why can't we combine these two in one only? So here I am writing that print x is greater than y. Then what the, this I'm going to delete. Okay, now you see, in this only I'm going to write here print. What I'm going to print? X is greater than y, and what is that? Y is smaller than x. Is it done? Now in this one, if y is greater than x, so ultimate biggest you are getting y, so x will be the smallest one. So I'm writing here print, and then I'm going to give a message here that x is smaller than y. Okay, see. So this is again a condition that where we have combined that two in one only. So now we are going to run the same program here. You see, same thing. Suppose system x, and I am writing here 90. So here you see, y is greater than x and x is smaller than y, right? So both will be printed as same, right? So like this way you can combine multiple statements inside any if statement, either for true, either for false condition, right? All right. Okay, so it's a good program. Try it, right? Okay, so try or fail later, guys. See you next.